Yeah, so the big dirty is now done and I can edit those films, but guys, check it out. For people that were on my Instagram, you guys can search RCSparks Studio on Instagram. You guys got a little hint that CAPO came out with a new product. Hello, my tire rolled away from two of my other CAPO machines. Look at this. This is the CAPO Ace 1. I got this when I was in Hong Kong. If you guys remember, how many people have been with the show long enough to remember when I went to the Asian scale invasion and met with CAPO down there? This is where I got to see the Ace 1 for the first time. Then a few years later, I got to build the JK Max. This is where this tire comes from. I was trying a different size tire on here. Which ones do you guys like? The original stock or the slightly smaller ones? Let me know in the comment section. This also has the air compressor on there, which has the air shocks to it. That's why I've got this little controller, because I can actually inflate the front or the back independently for air ride suspension. Well, now today, the 1/6 scale SiXER 1, the 1/6 scale RC Custom V-Heist model kit. I believe this should have an L in there, but a vehicle model kit nonetheless. And of course, they even put a Canada flag on the side. Isn't that awesome of them? The Samurai Edge. Wait a second, I don't think that's a maple leaf. But regardless, it comes with this box. So I haven't opened it up yet. I think we should unbox it. Have a look at the SiXER 1. I know that they already custom painted mine for me because of the story I had when I was in Hong Kong. Let's open the box. So I remember when I was in Hong Kong, I came out of the hotel I was staying at called the Langham Hotel. And I was really interested at that time of really trying to find, maybe I would try to get a scale truck that was RCSparks branded and maybe give you guys, you know, something really unique. But I didn't want to do anything that had been done already, because what was the point? And I walked outside the hotel and I saw the most amazing Suzuki Samurai I had ever seen. It was completely black. I stopped, I took pictures of it. And I was stunned. It was gorgeous. And I thought, geez, if I was ever going to do something like that, I would do that, you know, the Suzuki Samurai. There we go. And then when CAPO came along a few years later, they said to me, you know, did you want to build the Suzuki Samurai for us? I said, absolutely. I should stop saying Suzuki Samurai. They just said Samurai. Look at this. Please use the computer browser and download the instructions. Okay. Ooh, inside the box, first glimpse. Look at engine pieces. Okay, let's take out the tires, which have beads in them, and their rims. First time I'm seeing this, guys, so give me a moment to discover what I'm looking at. Foams with rings, so they obviously have bead locks. I like that they're that they're already cut. This is so when the tire's rolling, you don't have a whole bunch of foam bunching up in one spot, right? You just have that ability to flex. The tire can flex around it. Let's have a look at the tire itself. It's a pretty nice scale tread. It's a pretty soft compound, almost feels a little silk-like. Yeah, you just saw me feeling tires right on camera. They said this is one of the most simple builds that CAPO has ever done. I was wondering when a 1/6 scale was going to come out. It seems only right. Look at all the packaging's mint. Take this out, one last one at the bottom of the box. Let me get you a new shot. Okay, starting off with those tires, working our way down. This is all cast, hey? This is thin. It's very thin, but it's still cast, I believe. Feels amazing. Here is the axle. Wow, with brake discs on the end, they are aluminum. They don't feel plastic at all. There's the CAPO sign. And obviously a locker. And a locker in the front as well. Oh yeah, these are more beefy. So two pieces that come together. And then I like how the ends, that the wheel ends are on already. Wow. Sorry guys, normally I'm all chattering, but I just don't really have any experience with this new one at all. All metal gears on the inside here. And then the frame rails. So they are feeling pretty thin, but they said this was also the least expensive capo they're going to have on the market as well. So I believe from what I was told, under $1,000. Let's have a look at what's in the box here. No. Yeah, you see what's sticking out right there. When they said, did you want to build this SiXER for everybody? Plus I've been doing this for 6 years with them. I said yes. And they asked, can we include an RCSparks sticker? And I said, absolutely. So everybody who gets one of these SiXERs will get 2 sets of decals. So that's perfect. Awesome. I'm honored, guys. Thank you so much. Now I can have the SiXER pull the RCSparks Thrasher. The Samurai Edge. I love this. This is going to look rad. Yeah, I just said that because that's how old I am. Okay, body pieces. Painted black, just like I saw when I was in Hong Kong. Sweet! Is 6 scale the way it's going to go? I don't know, because it depends. A Suzuki Samurai, for example, is a pretty small truck overall, which is pretty much going to have a smaller wheelbase than the 1/8 scale truck that's up there that's a monster truck. So, just depends. Awesome. This is awesome. Okay, I got to lay all these pieces out so you guys can see it. Oh, here's the bottom tray. Woohoo! This is totally like a whole kit I get to put together. Now, yes, because I'm a marketing partner, I get a little extra special treatment. So I want to share this with you guys. Check this out. They said, we know the vision you had when you were, you know, the vision I had of the truck that I saw. Look at this paint job. It's like piano gloss. Wow. Look at that. Just absolutely gorgeous. Inside unpainted, outside completely gloss black. Automotive paint. Stunning. Beautiful. Let's have a look at the hood. Wow, mirror finish. That is absolutely amazing. The Samurai SiXER, amazing. Thankfully, I said yes, of course, to everybody getting an RCSparks logo, and I didn't ask for anything to be on the marketing partners. I thought it was just an honor to be on there. So what they did was they sent me the box of option parts that go on the SiXER, so I can build the huge SiXER, anything to achieve the look of the one that I saw when I was visiting in Hong Kong. Now, you guys may have seen the light kit pop out. I think this is an option part. I'm going to bring out the other parts that they sent to me as well to help build this truck to the best that it can be. Bam! There they are. Just like that. Now they wanted to keep the initial kit costs down, so all these like aluminum pieces, this is going to be like a behind the tire or behind the bumper tire holder and probably a gas holder right there. Same with the front bumper. This is black. Another tire with the rim weighted. Here is a whole engine kit. So radiator you can paint, hoses, canisters, can fill up areas, the whole deal. Here is the back bumper. Look at this for 1/6 scale. Here's the 1/8 scale. 1/6 scale bumper. it's going to be much, much larger. Here's the front bumper. I know I just put the back bumper on the front, but you get the same idea. Great for a huge winch. What do you think? Do you think 1/6 scale and 1/8 scale crawlers are going to be the future? Have we seen a lot of 10th scale now and know what 10th scale can do? I wonder. This looks like it's actually going to be a sound kit or a horn of some sort. Those look like 2 speakers. The one thing I would like to see on CAPO's branding or packaging is just better labeling. The other thing you'll see here is no instruction book at all. No instruction book on how to assemble the body, but everything apparently is downloadable. Now, I've always gotten a hold of CAPO through their Facebook page. I'll leave a link in the video description box down below. Not always the best at getting back to people. I have no idea why. I'm not a part of their company at all, but that's just the way it is. But they do have different distributors around the world. But again, try them on their Facebook page if you have questions or anything like that. They don't have a direct web page. I don't know why. But there you go, guys. There is a lot of the things. You must be thinking to yourself right now, well, they didn't send the most important accessory. Okay, so what I'm about to say even blows my own mind. And yes, I've been a YouTuber for almost 11 years now, with this company for the 6 years. When I came back from Hong Kong, if you guys remember, they had actually printed a head of me from some pictures and made a mini-me that could drive in their vehicles. Well, how are you supposed to drive your new one? And I think what my wife said was, didn't they give you a snappy looking shirt? In fact, look at this. What they did was they printed off a larger version of my head, put it onto one of these, you know, normal 6 scale dolls. Now I can play dolls while I'm going out. I will refer to it as an action figure, right? I don't know. Just wait. If I give this guy a radio and I stick this guy in the truck, I'm blowing my own mind here. Wait a second. Let's see here. I think they did a pretty darn good job. Now I get to drive all of my vehicles, and it's just me, myself, and I hanging out. It's kind of like that on the trail most of the times.